Good morning, students. So Suruchi ma'am is back with chapter number 2 in your course book. So chapter name is What Are Those Boys Doing? So children, you have already done chapter number 2 explanation part now on Monday. So today we are going to quickly revise the chapter and we are going to do hard words and new words. Okay. So I am going to start with the chapter. Right. So the chapter says What Are Those Boys Doing? Chapter number 2. So I am going to explain you the chapter again. Tanya is a Russian girl. So Tanya is a Russian girl, mean that she has come from Russia. She is Mina's pen friend. That means Tanya and Mina, they used to write letters to each other. Pen friend means when you are connected with writing letters. Okay. Today she is in Mina's school. So she has come to see Mina's school. Okay. And she is near the playground with Mina. So they both have come near the playground. So they are looking here and there. And Tanya is saying, what are those boys doing? Tanya is asking because she can see that there are some boys and they are playing. So Tanya is asking, what are those boys doing? Mina is saying, they are playing. What are they doing? They are playing. Tanya, what are they playing? Now, if they are playing, they must be playing some game, right? So, which game they are playing? They are playing hide and seek. Hide and seek is in which one person hides and other person tries to find. So, now, where Suruchi ma'am is hiding? Behind her scarf. Okay. Tanya, Arif is hiding behind a bush. So, where is Arif hiding? Behind a bush. Bush is a small plant, right? Mina, now look, Amit is walking on tiptoe. So what is tiptoe, children? When your heel is raised and you walk on your toes. Okay. And Tanya is laughing. Ha ha ha. Hooray! Amit is catching Arif. So Amit is trying to catch Arif. Okay. So now here the boys were playing. Now they have moved to another playground, the other one. In our school also we have many playgrounds, right? So in one playground girls were playing and in one playground boys were playing. Now let's see what are girls playing. Oh, here the girls are also playing. What are they playing? They are playing parcel game. Which game they are playing, girls? Parcel games are playing. The girls are playing parcel game. Charu is playing a mouth organ. So children, what is a mouth organ? Mouth organ is an instrument in which we have to blow air. हम blow करते हैं और फूक मारते हैं and then the sound comes. Okay. And the girls are passing the parcel around. So what are girls doing? They are sitting in a circle and they are passing one thing. There is a parcel and they are passing that thing. What is a parcel? Parcel क्या होता है? Parcel is a thing which comes from post. Okay. Tanya, now Charu is not playing the mouth organ. Has Geeta got the parcel? So now children, how do we play this passing the parcel game? You must have played in some birthday parties also. I'll explain you. Okay. Here there is a parcel, there is a box. Okay. And all the children, they sit in a circle. वो सब सर्कल में बैठ जाते हैं और एक पार्सल होता है एंड देन द म्यूजिक प्लेज बिहाइंड, राइट? और जैसे म्यूजिक स्टॉप होता है पार्सल ऑल्सो स्टॉप्स. वो पार्सल हम पास करते रहते हैं सर्कल में, ठीक है? और जैसे म्यूजिक स्टॉप होता है द पार्सल जिसके पास भी आता है दैट पर्सन हैज़ टू टेक आउट अ कार्ड फ्रॉम द बॉक्स एंड रीड व्हाट इज रिटन ऑन द बॉक्स, ऑन दैट कार्ड. ओके. And whatever is written, you have to do that. Okay. Whether it is written to sing, so you'll have to sing. If it is written that you have to do acting, then you have to do acting also. Okay. Whatever is written on that card, you have to do that. So Meena, yes, she is unwrapping it. So who is unwrapping it? Geeta, because as the sound has stopped, music has stopped. So parcel is in Geeta's hand. So Geeta is unwrapping it. Now what is she doing? She is taking out a card and reading it. Okay, she has to take out the card from the parcel and she has to read. Oh, she's hopping like a frog. What is she doing? She's hopping like a frog. She's jumping like a frog. Because what is written on the card? The card says, hop like a frog, hop like a frog. So she is hopping like a frog. Now Charu is playing her mouth organ again. So there's another girl whose name is Charu and she's playing the mouth organ again. Tanya, Charu is not playing now. Monica has stopped. Monica has the parcel. So who has got the parcel now? Monica. Monica, what's written on the card? Pull her ears. So what is she doing? She is pulling her ears. And when she is pulling her ears, everyone is laughing. And everyone, they are having fun. As they are playing, they are having fun. So when you also play with your friends, with your mama, papa also at times, you also have fun, right? So here children are also having fun in the playground. Now we are going to do hard words, children. Russian. Russian, person from Russia. Pen friend. A person with whom you connect by writing letters. Playground. An area in which children play. We also have so many playgrounds in our school. Okay. Hide and seek. A game in which one person hides and other tries to find. Bush. Bush is a small plant. Tiptoe. Walk with one's heel raised. I told you now, this is your foot, and when you raise your heel and when you walk on your toes, that is tiptoe. Parcel, an object wrapped in paper and sent by post. Okay, जब post से आता है. Okay, हम लोग online order करते हैं ना, things order करते हैं, so that also comes by post ना, that is a parcel जो box में pack आता है. Mouth organ, instrument played with mouth. It is an instrument which is played with mouth. Okay. Unwrapping, to remove or open the packing. To remove or open the packing. Hop is to jump. And now I'll tell you new words that you have to do in your English 4 lines notebook. Now in homework you have to write your all these new words and you have to learn the spellings also, children. So first word is Russian. Pen friend, playground, hide and seek, behind, bush, tiptoe, catching, parcel, mouth organ, unwrapping, hopping and laughing. So there are 13 words. These 13 words you have to write in your 4 lines English notebook. We have already done chapter number 1, then we have done summer season, then we have done my school, now we are doing chapter number 2. So children, you have to go in your Mobi app assignment section and there you will find a worksheet there in which properly I'll mention date, chapter, everything, new words, and that you have to do in your English notebook. I'm again repeating, children, we have made only one English notebook and in that notebook only you have to continue with your work. Right, children? Stay safe, stay healthy and stay hydrated. Drink lots and lots of water. It is very, very hot outside. Right, children? Stay safe. Bye-bye, children.